Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the AI image generator inside Kittl in 2026, step by step. This tool is perfect for creating design assets, illustrations, and print-on-demand graphics without advanced skills. By the end, you will know how to generate images, customize them, and use them for real projects like Etsy or merch. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Kittl account. Go to Kittl and sign in or sign up using your account. I signed up using Google, but feel free to choose whatever method you want. Right? Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Step 2. Inside Kittl, you're going to be able to click new project, or you can just type Kittl image generator and you're going to see, of course, the first search results. Let me show you here. Here. Kittl image generator. Just go ahead and press the second or third result. Right? You can choose a custom size or template. Right? Choose a style also. Say this is the expression. Right? And go ahead and describe what you want. If you're creating a designs or print on demand, choose high resolution. Right? Now open the AI image generator. Inside in the editor, look for AI tools or AI image generator. Click to open the generator panel. This is where you create images using text prompts. Now, write a strong prompt. Your prompt determines the result. So here's an example. Vintage skull illustration. Right? Bold lines, black and white t-shirt design, right? Or you can use cute cartoon cat, pastel colors, kawaii style sticker design, minimalist mounted logo, clean lines, modern style. They can choose whatever example that I spewed. Include style, subject, and use case, right? So t-shirt, sticker, poster, and the style, of course, vintage, anime, realistic, whatever. And then what you're gonna do, hit generate here and wait for a few seconds. Kittl will generate multiple variations. Choose the one that looks best, and you can customize the image. Once generated, you can edit it directly inside Kittl. Options include change colors, adjust size, add text, add effects, combine with other elements. So you can see right here, I'm waiting for the result. Right? As you can see right here, you can just choose the image, right, and change it. You can see you can change the blending mode, right? Add tools like frame, upscale, whatever, shadow, photo filter, etc. Right? This is what makes Kittl powerful. It's not just generation, it's full design editing. Step 7. Add typography. Very important. Kittl is known for typography. Add bold titles, stylish fonts, vintage or modern, basically text. For print on demand, text plus image combos sell best. So you can see right here, this is the prompt. So I request is in progress. You can see right here on the side panel, you can add text here for your product. And you can remove background, which is optional if needed. Obviously, you can use the background remover, right? And keep transparent background. This is useful for t-shirts, stickers, or logos. And export the design. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and hit export. Select the width and the format and hit export. You can remove the background here as we said before, but you need to upgrade and optimize quality. So use 300 dpi for print quality and use your designs. You can now use your design for Etsy listings, print on demand, t-shirt, mugs, social media content, logos, and branding. The best use cases for Kittl is t-shirt designs, vintage graphics, logos, stickers, posters. So pro tip for better results, Keep prompts simple but specific. Generate multiple variations. Combine AI plus manual editing. Use bold, high contrast designs. Focus on niche audiences. Avoid writing vague prompts, using low resolution exports, not editing AI output, overcomplicating designs, or ignoring typography. So to rewind one last time, open Kittl, create a new project, open AI generator, write prompt, generate images, customize design, export, and use for Etsy or whatever shop you use. Done. So using Kittl in 2026 is one of the easiest ways to create high quality designs for digital products or print on demand businesses. It combines AI generation with powerful design tools, making it perfect for beginners and creators who want fast results. The key is not just generating images, it's refining them into sellable designs. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next